Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review this wig that I got from OMG Her Hair Company. They sent me a 360 lace wig, Indian Remy body wave in inches 14 with a 150 density. It has lace all around and the lace color is a light brown. This also came pre-plucked. I didn't really have to do much to it. You guys gonna watch the video and see that I barely plucked it because I just customized it to my hairline because in my hairline kind of shape a little bit weirder than the rest. So I had to customize it a little bit. So this is a video showing you guys how I customize my 360 lace frontal wig that I received again from Her Hair Company. I'm gonna have all the links in the description bars to this wig. Actually, this is my first time trying a wig, as I said, and I really love it. Like right now I feel like I need to skip the steps of making my own wig and just buy wigs, because trust me, this was so easy and it fits so nicely, and at the end of the video you'll see how I got to put it in a ponytail. It's not too thick, not too thin, just how I like it. And yeah, so don't forget to check out Her Hair Company. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in that hotline light that could only mean one thing. And I know in that hotline light that could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I'd never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. I know when the
Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong, going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city,